Becky. Becky behind Breakthrough Collection. Thank you for tuning in. If you are new to this channel, we share tips on sublimation and if you are trying to start your t-shirt brand, you can try us out. Just get it. Forget about the waiting. Don't do the cricket thing. Today we are going to be collaborating with one of our own, our friend, that she's starting very soon. She will be launching a store online. I'm trying to show her how to sublimate a 20 ounces tumbler. So I'm going to be showing her the step by step where I get my design from, how I resize my design on Canva, how do I send it to printer to print the proper size. Just stay tuned and you will see what we rub minds together, and we're able to do it, and she learns a lot. I'm hoping that this video, by the time you see it, when you play it, you'll be able to learn one or two things from us. And if you do like this video, please click the like button and give us a thumb up. Comment, we will reply to you. We always respond to our comments. Just comment and we'll reply to you. Ask any question, we'll give you the best answer as we could. Okay, thank you. This bottle is already wiped down with alcohol and paper towel. This is the hydration bottle that I was talking about. This is 18 ounces and this is the 22 ounces. And I have the design already made from Canva, printed out already. So I'm going to be showing you what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be wrapping this design around this bottle. Welcome to this channel again. This is Breakthrough Apparels. We are going to be doing sublimation cup today. If you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button so that whenever we upload a new design or a new tip, you will be able to see it. So when you want to do this on Canva, you have to measure your bottle, have the right measurement. So when you do it, it's going to, and you have to mirror it before you print your image, especially when you have like names on it or like writing on it. This have to be mirrored. If you turn it around, I don't know if you can see it, you will see that when you put it on the bottle, it's going to say the right word. So I just want you to see that. I'm going to go ahead and wrap the bottle, so you will see me at the end of it. Using this, the cutter, the plastic cutter that called the vinyl. I'm using it for my paper to trim the edges because I want it straight, really straight. Some of them don't have edges, like this one has no edges. If you look at it, it has no edges. I'm going to keep that aside. That's two designs. But you can see, you can tell that the one with Jonathan is having edges. Did you see that? So I'm going to trim the tiny pieces. That's what I want to try to trim. I don't want that tiny pieces to be there because I want it to overlap. So that when I put it on the mug, nobody will see that side. So that's what we're trimming out of here. Don't forget to use your ruler, and if you don't have the ruler, you can use your scissors. So I trim it, you see. Now you can see the edges is gone. That's what we're going to be doing for every one of these designs. Every one of them we're going to be doing. I'm going to pause the video because I don't want to waste you guys' time, and I will come back after I finish trimming. So I'm going to have my camera towards this side. Hold on. I'm gonna do it like this. Ooh. So that's it. And now I'm gonna turn it around. I'm gonna pick it up. I pick it up with, you can use the glove. I don't know where my glove is. You turn it around, just turn it inside. Then you press it again. Yeah. So this one now is already cooling down. Let's see how this come out to be. It's still happening. Oh my God! Did you see that?
Wow, it's magic.
Let me hold it with this because it's very cold. It's very hot to me.
Let's leave it first.
Huh? I wanted to show. Oh, it's very beautiful. Oh my God! Look at that.
Oh, let me see the under. The under. Okay.
You see the design went, you see how I put it on the edges? That's what I want. And this is my logo here. And see the overlapping. This is the overlapping. Did you see? Can you tell the overlapping?
No.
So it went inside. You see that? That's the bigger size that you were telling me. Won't I trim it?
Yes.
So I trimmed the little side so that it can just blend together. Okay, this is done.